So I picked up this Silverado here to resell. 2001 2500 HD 6.0. I've repaired a few things, and I've noticed that when you start it up, it's got a well, it sounds like you just changed the oil when you start it up. After it sits overnight, it sounds like you've just changed the oil and it has to build up pressure. Now, these trucks are bad for the oil pickup tube O-ring going out. And I've read a comment online that somebody had the same issue, and when they parked on a hill, it didn't do it because basically that O-ring was submerged in oil. So I'm trying that. I've tried replacing the oil filter. Supposedly there's a check valve in the oil filter that can be bad. I've changed that. I put an AC Delco on there. Still does it. So I've got the back jacked up here with my Pittsburgh jack. Hasn't been started in a couple days. I'm gonna go ahead and start it now. I'm sure it's gonna do it now, but the real test will be tomorrow morning. I just want to sort of confirm before I start tearing it apart. So here we go. It's probably gonna sound like shit on the video either way. Put the phone up here. Actually didn't sound as bad that time, but you did still hear it. Well, I'm going to test it tomorrow morning. I'm going to let it sit like this overnight, and I'm going to see if it does that tomorrow morning. Makes that little no oil pressure sound for a few seconds before it builds up pressure. If you want to know if it worked, I guess just ask me in the comments. I might do an update. Probably not.